Hey everybody, welcome to the Rim Vlog. We probably picked the windiest day of the year to come down here. It's so windy. So hopefully you can pick up my voice and you're not just hearing wind. There's just about nobody else at this temple except for me. There's a dude skateboarding on the other side, but there's two wide open sides and these two choose to go right where I'm at. Always. Every single time. I don't think there's an Asian in this world that doesn't want to photobomb me. They love to be in my videos. And then we got this jabroni right here, interrupting my time-lapse shot. Standing right in front of my time-lapse shot. He doesn't give a shit. Some people, damn. This is one of two vlogs that I didn't want to have to make. This is Iverson. This is my best friend in the whole entire universe. About a month and a half ago, I felt an unusual lump in his throat and decided I needed to take him to the vet. And unfortunately, he has lymphoma cancer. A cancer that typically takes down a dog in about 2 months. Right now, there's somebody skateboarding over there, so he's a little more interested in being in the skate video than he is being in my vlog. So, not only was the diagnosis awful, but they told us we have about 2 months left with this guy.
So cute.
He loves skateboards, so I'm trying to... Yeah, you can...
You put a mohawk on him?
Yeah. He's super friendly, so yeah, he heard you guys skateboard and he was trying to go play with you guys.
He's so cute.
Yeah, I like the mohawk.
Yeah,
Thanks.
that's so cute.
Yeah, I just gave him one so we could do some matching mohawks.
That is so cute.
See, isn't he the most handsome, charming dog in the entire world? Alright, so I know you're wondering about the mohawk. Iverson's always been a super stylish dude. He used to get a haircut just about every 2 to 3 months, partly to ooze some sex appeal, but mostly because we were going to the beach just about every day, and it was way easier to keep him not smelling so much like a lab if he had short hair. So that's why I kind of kept him at short hair, and I kept him stylish. Usually I'd give him a mohawk, or I would give him a lion cut with the tail that looked like Lion King. Freshest dude on the block, year round. He's probably gonna put up a struggle right now to do this. There's 0% chance he wants any of this right now. But this could be our last hurrah. And I want the boys to have a couple of matching haircuts. One last time. Here, come over here, keep coming. Keep coming, come on. Come on. Come on, old man. We're gonna do one last haircut, me and you, okay? I won't even do that much. I just want to give you a little bit of a mohawk so that we can match, okay? And then when we're done, we can go to a very special place. Iverson, come over here so we can see your mohawk. Come here. So, we do have a little bit of a mohawk here. So we're just gonna put some gel in his hair, and then me and him are gonna go for a ride in the car to the Korean Friendship Bell. How's that sound, dude? Alright, so here he is, the handsome puppy with his mohawk. His little spiked mohawk. Give me a high five? That was a good job. That was a good boy. So here we are, two best buds in front of the Korean Friendship Bell. Today he's having a very lethargic day, and I fear the end is near. So we went and saw an oncologist. And unfortunately, to do chemo with him, it was probably going to cost around $12,000. And that doesn't even guarantee anything. As far as we know, you could do chemo and 2 months later he could be toast. So we decided against the chemo. It's too much money, and it's not worth having him go through that. So we just have him on some steroids now, and hopefully it'll make his time left with us a little bit easier. I got you. So while he still has some breath in his lungs, we're gonna celebrate with him as much as we can. I'm gonna try to do all the fun things he loves to do. This was a place we used to go to all the time. When he was younger, we used to come here all the time. Before his time's done, he's definitely gonna have a beach trip. When But until then, like I said, this has been a depressing vlog. A vlog I didn't want to make. I will do a tribute for him once he's gone. Keep me updated. This has been the Rim vlog with me and my best friend in the world. We'll see you later, guys.